To Cape Town, media personality Katlego Maboe was in court today for allegedly violating the terms of a protection order that his ex-partner took out against him. Monique Muller obtained the order in September. A video showing the former Expresson TV show host confessing to cheating on her and allegedly leaving her with an STD went viral on social media. eNCA reporter Monique Mortlock has been following the story and she joins us from Cape Town. Good evening to you, Monique. So tell us what happened in court today.
Maboe was expected to appear in the Cape Town Magistrates Court, as we heard from the NPA yesterday. Just confirmation that he was expected to appear in court today for that that allegation of allegedly breaching this protection order that Muller had taken out against him in September. But there was some confusion in the Cape Town Magistrates Court. We then found out that the docket never even arrived at the court, and the prosecutor has then she then proceeded to request the docket from the SAPS where the case was opened, so that she can peruse through it. So no case or no criminal case against him took place at the Cape Town Magistrates Court today, although we saw him walking into the Cape Town Regional Court, which is directly opposite the Magistrates Court, and this is usually where domestic proceedings, domestic disputes take place, where issues like divorces, custody matters take place. It consists of a family court, a divorce court, and there's also a small section for domestic violence. So we saw him walking into that court, although we weren't privy to proceedings because everything that happens in that court takes place in camera.
All right, so, you know, the issue around our media coverage is nothing to do with the infidelity, but it's more about the allegations of abuse, which, of course, is very concerning indeed, and that still has to be determined. But he is still garnering quite a lot of support on social media. So while there's a court process, there's a lot going on social media. Just tell us about that, and also what the next court date is and what's going to happen next in terms of the legal process.
Yes, definitely. There has been an online petition set up in the wake of that video that went viral of Muller confronting Maboe about the infidelity claims. And this online petition has really garnered over 66,000 signatures, where people are calling for Katlego Maboe to be brought back onto the screens. These are fans that have hit social media just as big as those who have spoken out against him have done, calling for brands like Outsurance, for the Expresso show to bring Maboe back to their screens. The NPA says no court date has yet been set when it comes to the allegations that he breached the court order. So there's no criminal case that we are aware of yet against him. We're not sure of the regional court proceedings, what took place there, as neither party's representatives were available for comment. And we also got the slip from them if both of them were in court. We just know that Maboe was definitely in the regional court. He managed to evade the media during the day.
Thank you very much for that update. That was eNCA reporter Monique Mortlock in Cape Town.